guys, I'm Stirpe. In this video I'm going to show you how to work with DynamoDB using the AWS Toolkit in Eclipse. In an earlier video I showed you how to install the AWS Toolkit into Eclipse and associate it with an IAM user I'd created earlier. In this video I just want to show you how to use the AWS Toolkit to perform some management tasks in Eclipse, in particular DynamoDB. I'm not going to be looking at how we can use the SDK to write code to interact with DynamoDB, rather simply create tables, add records and delete tables. Just as a reminder, here is a user account that I associated with when I installed the AWS Toolkit. So there's an IAM user called Frank, and this is Frank's access key and secret key. It's using these credentials that Eclipse is able to authenticate against Amazon Web Services. If you saw that earlier video, I should point out that I've now updated Frank's privileges so we can access DynamoDB. So let's pick one task to get us started, and that's creating a DynamoDB table. And just right click this and select Create Table. This is the kind of task that a developer might carry out in Eclipse when they need a table to work against, but it's not actually worth writing the code to create one. Creating a table via this plugin is as straightforward as creating a table actually in the AWS console. Let me put in a table name of trainers, and I'm just going to have a hash key name of trainer name of string. Many of the options that you'd have in the console are available here. So for example, you can choose a range key. I'm not going to do that here. You'd specify the minimum read and write capacity for your IOPS, and one here which is the minimum is totally inadequate for production, but this is just a demo. You would specify secondary indexes, local and global. I'm not doing that here either. Let me just jump to finish. And there you see the table's been created. A very straightforward process. Another thing that you're likely to want to do in a hurry in Eclipse as a developer is perhaps drop some records into a DynamoDB table. So let's try that. Let me just right click trainers and open the query editor. As you can see, here's my hash key. I can start entering values. So I'll enter in a value trainer name of, well, I should go for Phil, shouldn't I? So Phil, that's me. Any other trainers will have Mike, Mike. We've got Matt. Put Geraldine in there. And so on. Very simple. So as a developer working in Eclipse, if you needed a DynamoDB table and didn't have access to the console, you could just simply do it here using the plugin. Let's do one last thing. Not only is it easy to create a table and add records to it using the plugin in Eclipse, it's also very simple to delete a table. Let me just right click trainers, hit delete table, confirm, and it's deleting. Not an exhaustive demo, but I just wanted to show you how simple it was to add a table, add records, delete a table, all in the comfort of Eclipse. There you have it. In this video I've shown you how easy it is to work with DynamoDB using the AWS Toolkit in Eclipse. Thanks for watching, and please feel free to comment on my blog and Facebook page. Perhaps you could suggest more video topics. Most of all, don't forget to subscribe to keep up with my videos as I release them. Bye for now.